They said on the news and in the papers that if you didn't have a voter ID, statewide ID, that you wouldn't be able to vote in voting time. That's what they put out in the law, that they wouldn't be able to vote. I never thought we would go backward.
This is the first election that we're having in these United States of America since 1965, where we have not had the full protection of the Voting Rights Act. And they passed that bill, the worst voter suppression bill since Jim Crow. This is that want to take the first week of early voting, they want to take same-day registration, they want to take out-of-precinct voting, and they wanted to put in place the worst photo ID anywhere in the country that didn't even allow you to use a federal ID. Courts eventually ruled on our side in August, but I want you to see what the court said. The court said it was surgical racism, but they targeted surgically African Americans.
And we've been this way before, but now we are being turned back, and it's a shame and a disgrace. We must strive and restore the voting rights.
They seem to want us out of the picture of anything, and that's why I protested and took on the responsibility of being the main plaintiff. I wanted to see the process. I know it was expensive for me, but I wanted to see so I could tell the world just how expensive and how much time consuming it was. I started voting at an early age and everything, and we were very particular about fraud, and we didn't have it. So why are we gonna have this big controversy over fraud when we didn't have that going on? I was the first African American to register and vote in the county, African American woman. So after graduation, I asked my mama and my brother, he drove a mule and a wagon to take me to Lewisburg to see, that was my county seat, to see just what I could do by registering to vote. We went in this building, the courthouse, and when we got in, it was 3 white men sitting talking. So they asked me what was I there for, and I told them that I came to see if I could get registered, and so when time comes I could vote. So he told me to stand straight up with my hand down beside of me and look at a certain place. He had me to look on the wall and not turn from right to left, and don't look up or down, and repeat and recite the preamble to the Constitution of the United States of America. So I did as he ordered, and I, without any mistake. And then they whispered again to see what else could they have me do. Okay, I'm here to observe.
No problem.
You don't have
Let me give you a little sticker.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll be looking and seeing if people treat each other right or give a person more than one ballot just because they ask for it. You know, I've tried and still trying to get people motivated to understand the necessity to vote and know the laws and to advance themselves.